Are you having fun, Archer? Okay. So as you guys can see, Archer is over here having fun with his father. And we're almost 9 months now, correct? Almost 9 months. He was born July 29th.
And at the end of this month, he would be 9.
Well, okay, so other than me sitting all the way over here at the desk and I don't have a camera pointing directly at me, the whole point of this video, as you guys could tell by the title, if you guys can even hear me over what's going on over here, so we're doing a studio tour, and I will add some montage and stuff into what's all like in the cabinet and everything else. But other than that, so I'm gonna stand up. I'm probably gonna end up being cut out of like view at some point or another. Not to distract you guys from baby over here. Do you see the book? You see the book?
That's you in it.
Yeah. Where's the candle? They're fake candles. Okay, and everything goes into the mouth. So Daniel and I, myself, and some other people. Or what are you going to become, a glow bug? You're going to eat the candle, become a. Oh, it's now a stringy candle. So other than that, I mean, other than my hair is looking like crazy right now or whatever, and it goes right back in the mouth. Ew, look at the giant slobber. So the rest of the house obviously does not look like this. This room was specifically designed for the podcast. Daniel, however, did, I mean, a lot of this stuff is Daniel's, as well as my own. So like a lot of the stuff that's over here in the cabinet, which I will show videos of, that stuff is going to be mine. And then of course, here is the infinite glass desk. So this glass desk, for you ladies, why? So the infinite glass desk has been around for a hot minute.
Candle magic in my mouth.
Okay. God, you have so much strength, kid.
You can't eat it.
I know he's gonna try to eat it.
But even wipe it off at this point.
I know. Here, what if let me get you something else. Here. So so the infinite glass desk, as you guys know, has been around since basically makeup days. Here, play with my breakfast bottle. There you go. It's been around since like basically like makeup studio days, like Makeup Mondays, Talks with Heavenly's, which is still around, several other things. So the blanket that's right here, this is from Killstar, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then the rug that's right here in front, which you guys can't see it, but I'll do a montage of it. That right there is from, where was that from?
I bought it off Etsy.
So off of Etsy. Okay. So the glass carryo that's behind me, that was my deceased great grandmother's. And then of course this right up here, this cabinet, which has a bunch of like items and stuff on it, including a candle at the top that you guys can't see. That right there was my uncle Leonard's, which is also passed away. And then of course, you know, all the lighting and stuff, like all the main top box lights, that's all from basically Making Mondays and my original like videos and stuff. And of course there's other box lights and stuff that I have as well. And then of course the rug that I'm sitting on or standing on, where did this rug come from?
Temu.
So it came from Temu.
Temu.
And if you guys have also noticed too, is like a lot of my videos, you slobbered my book.
I like to eat the magic. I want to eat the magic.
Literally. Yeah, if you guys don't know here, so you guys can see that. That's what this is. So it's a really good book. Like, I understand, like, you know, I believe in like freedom of religion. Everybody can do stuff, but I love to study pretty much everything. I'm pretty much I've studied forensic psychiatry, criminal law, family law, now probate, probate law. And then of course demonology, which I think I've just already said that, paganism, Buddhism, spiritualism. I've pretty much, I mean, I've had a lot of time to like study and kind of go over things. And one of the things that kind of intrigued me the most is paranormal. Daniel knows this. Daniel knows this just as, as much as I do. I will literally sit and watch hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of paranormal activity shows. And then for some of you ladies out there that may have not noticed yet, so you guys will see these right up here and in the back. So this is the Kat Von D fetish palette, and this right here is the Kat Von D. I'm trying to remember what that one is. I know they have never been literally. They have never been used. I think they were only used once, but like they are still in good condition. Other than the fact that this right here, the glue, it's so old that like the mirror's trying to fall out. So yeah, Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this thing's been around for a hot minute, and they don't even make it anymore. This thing was expensive. Like whenever I bought it, I think it was like $70 whenever I bought it. And it was just because like one, the style of it, and it was just so Kat Von D, and particularly my style at the exact same time.
Well, it's better than some of those brands that charge you about like probably like $100.
Oh yeah, no, well there's some pretty expensive brands out there, but besides makeup, because I know some of you guys out there, like whenever it comes to makeup and stuff, another reason why I have the studio looking this way is mostly, yes, because of ghost experiences, but also at the same time, I'm going to be bringing back Freaky Fridays. So in October of this year, I'm going to start doing like Freaky Friday FX makeups and stuff. However, I kind of need some help with that. And one of the things that I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to start showing basically a bunch of cups, t-shirts, hats, phone cases, all different kinds of stuff that's very low cost, that will basically sponsor Freaky Fridays, including the podcast. And so here I just put in like a small order for one of the Ghost Experience t-shirts. You guys will see that here pretty soon. If not, I will put a picture of it on the screen, including the logo and everything. And all the proceeds go towards Freaky Fridays, as well as the podcast, because obviously we have bills. And so without trying to make some type of income, I know that you guys recently had said something about, hey, go ahead and monetize your channel. Well, I actually cannot monetize my channel anymore. I can't monetize it until I hit a certain threshold of viewers and listeners. And I lost that ability to monetize because they changed the policy. So right now, the only way that I could continue doing anything other than what I'm doing now is through basically sponsorship. So if any of you guys out there are interested in sponsoring the podcast, if you're interested in sponsoring the Freaky Fridays, like you are able to donate or purchase a hat, t-shirt, cup, or anything like that of that matter. But besides all that, I hope that you guys like the studio, because Daniel has watched me paint the room with the paint gun. I have a monitor hanging up over here, basically a TV, so I can watch.
At one point, it was like with the paint, it's like I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, at one point, because like I painted this back wall completely black, and then I mixed red, like bright like apple red, with black, and then basically muted the black a little bit, faded it out, and then went into a brighter red. And then it just kind of stopped. So like the rest of the room is basically all white still. So I need to finish painting that, so that way I have like a broader area. And then the couch, actually, thankfully enough, you guys obviously know who Panda is. Panda, she found the couch on Facebook Marketplace. And funny story about that, when we got it here, I only paid $50 for the couch. It is amazing still for a couch like this. It's pure solid wood, very, very beautiful, and it's very, very comfortable. And funny story, I will insert some security footage from my kitchen because the guys that delivered it to the house, we actually had to cut the legs off of the table to get it downstairs.
You mean the couch?
Yeah, the couch. We had to cut the legs off the couch to get it downstairs. And that was quite the adventure because like what we had to basically
You're in there and just like
yeah with the saw just basically sawing it off.
like it can't fit through the doorway.
Exactly, like it doesn't fit, so like we try to get it through what the
That's what she said.
we try to get it through like our back door because on the other side of the door from the studio is like our washer and dryer and then a pair of stairs that goes directly up into the kitchen. So and then on the other side of this wall is our living room. So but yeah.
No, we're downstairs.
Yeah, we're downstairs and everything, and I don't even know like what this would be, like a 10 by what, 20? 10 by 20. You could fit basically a whole sedan in here essentially, like a vehicle. So yeah, no. I am looking for more people. I do have some special guests lined up, and a couple of drag entertainers local to Tulsa, Oklahoma. One of them is going to be Missy MG, and the other one is going to be Josie Lee Terrell and Sasha Terrell. They are known as the Terrell sisters. They are impeccable. They've known me since I was basically a child, and I've worked with them several times. They're amazing people. They're hilarious. I will probably strongly advise that when that episode comes out that it is mature audiences only, mainly because Josie and Sasha,
yeah,
they have a very interesting sense of humor, to say the least. Yes, babes.
Yeah.
So, Archer, so his middle name is Salem, and I know that you guys have probably listened to the podcast on how we lost our baby, and his name was Salem Rain Acres, and now we have Archer Salem Acres, and he is adorable. He's doing so great. Yes, he is. Are you doing great? Yes.
Oh, it's like I tried the crawling thing, but I've skipped steps. I'm quickly on my way to walking.
And right now he has this like really cute, it's a dragon thing that goes, I saw it on TikTok, and like we have like a huge pin for him upstairs that he can play in and stuff. I know you want the book. Here, look.
No, I want to chew on the book.
I know you want to chew on the book.
Let me eat the magic from inside.
I don't even know if they sell this book anymore. If they do, I will list it down in the description for any of you if you guys are interested in it. It's a really interesting read. It has a lot of stuff in it that like is kind of like, what? I'm trying to figure out where it is because it's in here. I know it's in here. Yes, I know, baby. Give me a second. I'm trying to find it. There's like the pattern of like the hand, and I was trying to find it.
You mean for palmistry?
Yeah, exactly. Like palm reading, essentially.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah. Well, anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video for basically the studio tour and also seeing Archer. I know I said a little while back and everything that I wasn't going to post pictures or videos of my children anymore because of like stalking reasons, but I really wanted to get this video done so I didn't go too late into the night, and I figured that some of you guys would probably enjoy seeing him. Yes.
Yes, take my slobber.
Yeah, because you like to slobber everywhere. Yes, you do. Yes. Oh my gosh, you're so heavy. How much did he weigh the last time?
20.4.
20.4. Gosh.
But that was quite a while ago.
Right. Okay, well, I love you guys. Hi. And Daniel's obviously, he doesn't know you guys the way that I do, but I'm sure that he loves you guys because you guys obviously are nice to me. So, squishy.
I'm just the awkward turtle in the room. So.
Yeah, you're the awkward turtle in the room. Yeah, he's my husband. We
My
are
social interactions is.
But you and I are like polar opposites. So like I'm very much like, hey, and you're just.
You're an extrovert introvert, and I'm
Yeah.
an introvert.
Yep. Yep. So hopefully this audio turns out well because I'm using my wireless mics. My wireless mics. Hopefully the audio turns out pretty good. If it doesn't, I apologize in advance. Hi. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get up, stop the cameras. Okay, well, I love you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, don't forget to, guys, send me a message. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.